loves, welcome back to the channel. This is Tinuola right here. This is me, this is us. Welcome back. Today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make butterfly lock with this hair right here. I have this passion twist that I got from Amazon from Leeven hair, which I'm going to link down below if you guys want to check it out. So this is what it looks like inside. It came with this crochet pin, really thoughtful, and some beautiful hair rings, accessories for your hair. We have 6 packs of hair, passion twist hair, and I got this color because I've never tried this color before and I just wanted to explore it, and I really like what it's looking like so far. So let's hope the end result turns out really well. Also, it came with 2 crochet pins. To my surprise, I wasn't expecting 2 crochet pins, so that's a plus. I'm gonna put their link down below. The amazing thing about this seller is this is the second time I'm buying hair from them, and the hair I get from them, I love them. I don't have any complaints so far. They are reliable. I have Amazon Prime, so I usually order this and get it like the same day or the next day. I ordered it very early in the morning, around let's say 2 a.m. and I got it in the evening around let's say 6 p.m. I'm also using this rubber bands. You can use the transparent rubber bands or you can just use the black rubber bands. You definitely need a crochet pin, and if you want to accessorize, of course you need your little
The first thing I did was to apply my DIY hair cream, which I just basically mixed shea butter with 4 other oils together. I applied it on my hair, I massaged it into my scalp, and my hair has been previously washed the day before, so it's clean. And right now I'm just sectioning my hair into 2 main sections. So one in front and one at the back. So let me just show you guys what the back section looks like. Basically, you want to cut the hair into smaller sections based on the size that you desire to make. If you're going with a medium, a small size, or a large size. I'm going with small to medium size. So I'm just wrapping a rubber band around each section of hair. And this is the method that I prefer to use for most of my individual crochet, especially when I'm doing locks. I've shown this method in my previous locks video, which you guys can also check out. I'm going to put the link at the end of this video and in the description box below. Let me just show you guys what I'll be doing in the front sections to make it easier for you to see what I'm doing. So the first thing is you want to cut your hair into smaller sections based on your desired size. In my opinion, I think butterfly locks looks better when it's not too small. When the locks are not too tiny, they look more beautiful. When the locks appear to be medium size or large size. So I'm going with medium size, and I'm just wrapping the rubber band around my hair. Guys, you don't want to wrap it too tight. I find that this is the mistake that a lot of people make when they use the rubber band method, and that's why they get headaches. So you don't want headaches. So what you need to do is to make sure as you're holding the rubber band, as you're wrapping it around your hair, when you start doing that at the root of your hair, you don't want it to be too tight. You just want it to be firm, but leave some space between your scalp, the root of your hair, and where you start the rubber band from. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. That's basically what I just did, and that's basically what I'll be doing for the rest of the hair. I do not hold the rubber band too close to the root of my hair because that way it will be too tight for me to pass a crochet pin and hair beneath it, and that way I'm also going to get a lot of headaches. But when you use this method, you're going to be fine. Next thing is you want to grab about 2 strands of hair, passion twist hair. You want to separate them make them fuller, and then do the usual crochet method where you pass your pin beneath your hair and you put the passion twist in crochet pin and pass it through beneath your hair. Take out the crochet pin. You want to separate the passion twist to make sure there is a loop, and then you want to take the rest of the passion twist and your hair and pull it through that loop and make a knot. That way you have your hair secured with the passion twist. Make sure the knot is firm enough, not too tight but just firm. It shouldn't be too tight, it should just be firm. Now you want to take another strand of passion twist. You can also make it 2 strands of passion twist. Separate them. Now hold it at the tip and wrap it around the knot that you already have. Wrap it around the hair that you already have. So make sure you wrap it as close to the root of your hair as possible. You're also going to be holding it firmly, not too tight but firmly. Now, what makes butterfly locks different from the regular locks is that you need to make loops as you're wrapping it. You need to make loops. How you're going to do that is you're going to take just a little section of the hair that you're using to wrap that hair strand. You're just going to take a little section and wrap it around your thumb. Your thumb is the biggest factor here. You have to use your thumb. Make sure your thumb is in place as you're rolling the hair around the rest of the hair. You want to take a little section and wrap it around your thumb to make a loop like I'm doing right now. When you have that loop, you want to continue rolling the hair around the rest of the hair. So you want to roll the hair above the loop and beneath the loop at least once to make sure the loop is secure. Hope you guys understand what I'm saying. You're going downwards, you're rolling one hair, you're rolling the hair around each other. You're going in the downward direction. Now you need to make a loop with your thumb. Just take a little bit of the hair you're rolling and make a loop with your thumb. Once you do that, once you have your loop, you want to roll around the loop above it at least once and beneath it at least once, and then continue beneath the loop, rolling downwards. So that's basically what you're going to keep doing. You keep rolling downwards. You take a little bit of strand of hair and wrap it around your thumb. Then you secure that loop by rolling above the loop at least once and roll beneath the loop at least once, and then continue rolling downwards. So that's basically what you are going to keep doing for the rest of the hair. Now, when you get to the tip of the hair, when you get to the desired length that you want, most people do bob length for this hair. That's like shoulder length because it looks more beautiful. Now, if you're doing bob length, which I am doing for this hairstyle, you want to make sure that all the hair, all the locks that you're making is the same length. Try as much as possible to compare the length of the one you're currently making to the one that you've made before to make sure that you're getting very similar, if not exact, length of hair. Now, when you get to the tip, you want to cut out the excess hair because you just need to seal up the tip and you don't need that much hair. You want to cut out excess hair, leaving just a little bit of hair. Now, the little bit of hair you have left, you're going to roll it around the tip. To seal up the tip, secure it, make sure it's not loose, and you want to roll it upwards. That's how you secure the hair. you need to roll it upward. The little bit of hair you have, keep rolling it upwards to seal the hair. Now when you're doing it so, you can also make extra loops. Those tiny loops, you can also create them as you're going upwards. And when you get to anywhere you already have those tiny loops, you want to maneuver them and keep going upwards until the strand of the hair is finished. And that is all you need to do. You just want to keep doing that for the entire hair, and you have your butterfly locks right there. Simple and straightforward. So that's what I'm going to keep doing, and if there's anything that you guys don't understand, please feel free to ask me. Maybe I forgot to mention one or two things. Feel free to ask me in the comment box below, and I can give more in-depth explanation based on your question. I also recommend using mousse if you have one at home. It makes the hair stay longer and appear fresh instead of looking rough. So that is a good one. If you have it on you can definitely use it. If you don't have it, no problem.
Alright guys, so this is what the butterfly locks is looking like. This is the final result. I finished the second day because it was taking so long. It took me about 8 hours to finish everything, if not more. I was very exhausted and I just couldn't film the rest of it, and I definitely took breaks in between. So you can take breaks in between if you don't want to do it all in one day or in one sitting or setting. I used one pack. One pack comes as 6 packs in one, and this hair is really beautiful. I love the color. It's like, wow, this is the first time I'm trying out this color. I didn't know I was going to like it this much. I really do like it. It's a distressed butterfly locks, so it's supposed to look rough, kind of. I don't know how long it will last. I can do another video to update you guys on how long it's going to last, but the hair took me about 8 hours to finish, and that is quite long. Even though I tried my best to make it quick, but it still took me a long time. So if you don't have patience for that, just keep that in mind. But the hair itself is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love the hair texture. Oh, it's so beautiful. The hair texture is soft. It feels a bit natural. You know, it's definitely good. And yeah, that is what we have. If I missed anything, please let me know in the comment box below. If you have any questions for me, I'll be more than happy to answer them. And yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you try out the style. It's not a bad style at all. By the way, the seller has 6 packs and 2 packs, so you can buy 6 and then you buy 2, making 8. So 8 will be enough for your full hair. This was 6 and it was enough for me to do my entire hair, but I had to really manage it, especially towards the back. I had to make it a little bit more scanty, so you just want to keep that in mind. And I have a small size head, so if you know, it's just to be on the safe side, it's good if you get 8 packs instead of just 6 packs. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope to see you in my next one. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, or if you just like the style, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please do. I will see you in my next one. Bye.